Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and cable seating. Loose connectors cause false failures. Once connected, boot into your OS and open the native disk tool to verify capacity and device recognition, because an unseen drive cannot be tested. Next, run a quick SMART read to check attributes like reallocated sectors and endurance, then perform a short sequential read test to get a baseline throughput number. These immediate checks show whether the drive responds and provide the first clues about possible degradation. Once you have baseline numbers, use the SSD vendor utility for a full SMART scan and firmware verification, because vendor tools access vendor-specific attributes. Then run random 4K I/O tests and sustained write workloads to measure IOPS, latency, and any thermal throttling. These reveal real-world behavior versus sequential tests. Make sure to compare observed throughput and endurance values with the manufacturer's advertised specs and same model baselines, so you can distinguish normal wear. You finish by securing data. If SMART shows failing thresholds, back up immediately and plan replacement, because data safety is paramount. Once backed up, try practical fixes. Update firmware, perform a secure erase to reset internal wear leveling metadata, and reseat the drive. These steps can resolve firmware or logical issues. If problems persist, collect SMART logs, test outputs, and error codes. Having exact settings and results makes RMA or tech support faster and increases the chance of recovery or valid warranty coverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.